Hi guys! So you already know how to create a pivot table. In this lesson, we will learn how to format the table that we created. I'll click on one of the cells of the table, and as you can see, two additional tabs appear in the ribbon. One of them is called Analyze, and the other is Design. Given that we want to modify the table's appearance, we'll select the Design tab. Okay, the Design tab does not contain many options, but here's what we can do with it. We can select a predetermined pivot table style from here. I simply have to click on the style of my choosing, and the pivot table will instantly change its colors and borders according to the style that we've chosen. The layout functions that we have on the left side allow us to choose whether we want to see subtotals or grand totals. We can choose the type of report layout that we want to have, and whether to include blank lines within our pivot table. Right, so this is pretty much what we can do with the Design tab. What is more important to remember is that the appearance of your pivot tables can be modified exactly like the appearance of any other table in Excel. We can change its font, its font size, the colors of its rows, the color of its total row, insert borders from the Format Cells menu, and so on. So, yeah, you can shape your pivot tables any way you like. Thanks for watching.